Greetings, digital explorers! Today, we embark on an intriguing journey through the world of smartphone applications. But not just any apps, we're focusing on those extraordinary ones that put money right into your pockets. We're about to uncover 5 spectacular apps that offer diverse and exciting ways for you to earn extra cash. First on the list is an app called Swagbucks. This versatile platform allows you to earn money by participating in activities you might already be doing in your free time. Fancy taking a survey, watching a video, or playing an online game? Swagbucks rewards you for all these and more. And if you're an avid online shopper, you're in for a treat. Swagbucks offers cashback for purchases made on partner sites. Imagine earning while spending. Next up, the ride-sharing giants, Uber and Lyft. If you have a car and some spare time, these platforms could be your ticket to a flexible income. Drive when you want, where you want. Whether you're ferrying passengers to their destinations or delivering food, every trip adds to your earnings. And the best part, you're in control of your schedule. Third on our list is TaskRabbit. This innovative platform connects you with people in your local area who need tasks done. From assembling furniture to moving assistance or even offering your handyman services, TaskRabbit has a wide range of tasks listed. It's like having a marketplace for your skills right in your pocket. Investment enthusiasts, pay attention. Our fourth app, Acorns or Robinhood, is just for you. These apps take spare change from your transactions and invest it for you. Robinhood, on the other hand, offers a platform for trading stocks. It might sound intimidating, but these apps help simplify the process, turning spare change into potential profits. Our final app today is Foap, a platform for photographers and videographers. Foap allows you to sell your photos and videos to individuals and companies around the world. Your scenic vacation photos or that cute video of your pet could just be your next source of income. There you have it, 5 fantastic apps that offer diverse ways to earn money. Whether it's through surveys, driving, completing tasks, investing, or selling your creative work, there's an app out there that matches your interest and skills. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Remember to explore these apps and find the one that suits you best. Until next time, keep exploring, keep earning.